Do you want to block emails on your AOL but don't know how to do so? If yes, this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Take It Simple. In today's video, I'm about to show you how you can block emails on AOL. Go ahead and open the AOL app in your phone. After you open your AOL app, click on the inbox and then press on the mail you want to delete or you want to block. After pressing it, go to More and then press on Spam. Now, all these mails from this sender will be blocked. Now, to undo it, you can go ahead and press on the Inbox button once again. After you press on the Inbox button, you can see that there will be a section of Spam. Go to the Spam and then press on the person or the mail. Go to More and press on Not Spam. This way, the mail from the user will be unblocked again. Hope the video was clear and helpful for you. If you have any sorts of confusions, please mention us in the comment section down below. Please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button if you want to see more tutorial videos. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.